guys, this is Winnie here and you're watching Tech Whoosh. I'm back with an interesting product, HealthSense BF425 Scan Pro Body Fat Monitor. This is the package of the product. In the backside of the package, they have mentioned a number of features which we will see in a short while. MRP of this product is 3,200, but I got it for 2,300 in Amazon.in. Here's the warranty card which you need to register in their website. You can avail an extended warranty if you rate 5-star in Amazon or Flipkart and send a proof by taking a snapshot to the company. And 3 AAA size batteries are included. A catalog about the product is given. Very importantly, you need to take a look before using it. The scale design is fantastic really. The product is moderately slim and the stainless steel platform rests on 6mm tempered glass. Now let's install the 3 batteries into the product. There are 10 user profiles and you can select any one. Mention your gender, your height, and your age. You are all set to use now. Stand on the device. It will show your weight. Wait till the device reaches your body. You can get down and watch it displaying your body fat percentage, body water display, muscle mass display, bone weight display, daily intake of kilocalories, body mass index, visceral fat, and biological age, which is very interesting. And the values are repeated again for 2 times. Suppose you get off the scale before it completes reading your body, the display shows an error indication. So you have to have some tiniest amount of patience here. Overall, it's a good product and worth your money. If you're really into fitness and check your gains regularly, you can own this. Every values can be obtained in the device itself. You don't need external gadget to know the results. Feel free to ask questions about the product in the comment section. We will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.